As we stated in previous lesson, that an amplifier is fed by one or two power supplies for its operation. This also imposes a practical limit on the range over which it stays linear. This is the ideal graph. And this is the real graph for two power supplies with L plus and L minus denoting the two saturation levels. These saturation levels are almost the same as the power supply voltage limit. This graph is known as a transfer characteristic. This is because it puts the input voltage against the output voltage. You can see that the output is clipped when it exceeds the voltage of the power supplies. It is distorted and valuable information is lost. Therefore, to avoid distortion, a practical limit has to be set on the input signal range.